the I'm not a robot click thing
Mhm.
actually works. Because I actually don't know
How that's happening?
how it works, but I think it has to do with the movement of the mouse,
Yes.
the timing, and they know that it's very difficult currently for a bot to mimic human behavior in the way they would click that little checkbox.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's something. I mean, again, my recollection on that is it's like a pile of highly obfuscated JavaScript with all kinds. It looks like a very simple box, but it's doing a lot of stuff and it's collecting all kinds of instrumentation. And yeah, exactly. Like a robot is just a little too deterministic, or if it's got noise, it's like Gaussian noise. And the way humans do it is just not something that you'd easily be able to do without collecting thousands and thousands and thousands of human traces doing it. But it is a predator prey on that. Go ahead.
Well, and then the computer,
Or millions of human traces. I don't know.
the computer just sees the JavaScript. It needs to be able to look outside the simulation. For the computer, the world is like
Right.
It doesn't. The computer doesn't know about the physical world, so it has to look outside of its world and introspect back on this simple box.
Right.
Which is kind of, I think that's exactly what mushrooms do, or like psychedelics, is you get to go outside and look back in, and that's what a computer needs to do.
I do wonder whether they actually give people insight or whether they give people the illusion of insight.
Is there a difference?
Yeah, because actual insight, actual insight is, again, Maxwell's equations. You're able to shift the world with that. There's a lot of practical devices that work. The illusion of insight is, I'm Jesus Christ, and nothing happens, right? So, I don't know. I think those are quite different.
I don't know. I think you can fake it till you make it on that one, which is insight in some sense is revealing a truth that was there all along.